everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you a soap making production line. Let's take a look. Okay, first of all is this one is soap mixing machine. So you put our soap materials inside, make the materials here inside first. Okay, then the next one, after mix the soap, we put the soap here inside. Okay, this is soap grading mailer. After the soap grading mailer, the finished soap will be transported to the conveyor and move up to this part, the vacuum loader. Okay, so soap will transport into the tank. Okay, then move to here and go down, move to here. So up to here, the soap noodles will be deliver out from this place. Okay, all right, this one is model for the soup noodle. All right, so we can install this one. Okay, install this one. Then the soup noodles will come out in these shapes. So square shape here. After that, soup noodles will go to logo printing and the soap cutting machine. Right here you can print logo here. Then after that, soup noodles will be capped from here. So capped to a smaller blocks. Okay. This part is soap stamping machine. So you can, aside from this soap cutting machine to connect to this plotter, you can also connect to this machine, the soap printing and stamping machine. So after soup noodles come out, it will be moved here. Then the stamping machine will stamp to this shape soup. Right. After soap stamping, it will be transported by the conveyor to your finished production line. All right. Let's take overall look. And here is electrical control panel. Right. Okay. So let's take a look for a production line. Okay. So okay. Next time I'll run the machine and take a video to you guys. All right. That's it. Thanks.